All right, everybody, here's your Wednesday grammar. So with your compound predicate, you're trying to find verbs, two or more verbs. So the first one says snakes are reptiles and are covered in scales. So yes, that would be two verbs for that one. Snakes have flexible jaws and swallow their prey whole. Yes. And then snakes have no eyelids. That's just one verb for that one. So that's not a compound predicate. That doesn't mean it's incorrect. It just means it doesn't have two verbs. And that's kind of the rule we're trying to find today. For your base words with suffixes, the first word is actually action. So you would add ION to it. And it comes from the word act. And so whenever you try to add that suffix, we added ION to make it action. For your next one, I know some people sometimes get confused with this one. So we just did this in social studies. So the word we're trying to make is exploration, right? We just did all of our explorers from the different European countries. So the word that it comes from, the base word, is to explore. And so we added TION to that as a suffix to make that word. And then for your last one, think of different languages that those explorers would have been speaking if they were talking to each other or the Native Americans. So they would definitely have to have a translation from language to language. That comes from the word translate. And so we added ION as a suffix to make that word. So see, guys, words come in all different types and pieces to put them together. For your sentence, we're talking about animals again. A snake will strike when it's time to eat or if it's threatened. So you would capitalize A. You would add a period at the end for punctuation. When it is time, that would need to be a contraction. It is with apostrophe. Time to eat, or if it is threatened. So you're going to need to add that apostrophe. So if you just rewrite it. Or type it in your case. Okay, so then just go back. Make sure you made all of your corrections with that one. Capital A, apostrophe, apostrophe, period. At the bottom, you're still trying to look at your adverbs and see what verbs the adverbs are describing. So Martina ran quickly down the street. What did she do? She ran how? Quickly. We will eat birthday cake tomorrow. Okay, so for this one, it kind of switches with the location. So we'll eat, so that's a linking verb. When will we eat? Tomorrow. Eventually, we will finish our work. Will finish when? Eventually. So sometimes, guys, the adverbs can switch location. They might not always be right beside the verb. He answered all the questions correctly. He answered. How did he answer? Correctly. Okay, so it's just describing how or when they're doing something. And then for your last one, snakes can't bite food. They have to swallow it whole. And they want you to combine them and put them together. So once again, we're trying to find some kind of comma conjunction that could do that. So we have comma so. We have nothing there. And then here we just have so. So whenever you have two separate sentences, you really need to have a comma. So this one would not work at all. This one has the conjunction, but it doesn't have the comma. So the best answer would be A, because you need to have that pause. Snakes can't bite food, so they have to swallow it whole. It just sounds better. All right, guys, make your corrections.